chillin' back and thinking about my nigga Maybach. Reminiscing about our times, wish I could take it way back. Bitch ass niggas on my team ain't really trying to pay back. If I was a nigga, I'd bust some things to tell them niggas take that. Why Moolah said they left up, shit I said they fucked up. Niggas grind me their whole life, not trying to build their trust up. That's why I'm dolo on my shit, trying to get my bucks up. Find out she was in it too. Oh yeah, she getting fucked up. Sitting here, I can't believe they took my nigga Bucky. Made me question sincerity when niggas say they love me. Walk through my own hood, same niggas hug me. Same niggas that say girlfriends are trying to slug me, in the fucking way. Same shit, different time, another day. Different bread, I'm trying to flip in another way. Same strap, new clip, know who wanna play. Circle tight, occupation, Akima, a mirror. Boy, not a digit, sometimes they generic. I be right around the way, but you won't see me near. Talk tough all day, I don't fucking fear. Moment for life for moment, shit, you better know it. Time running out fast, I wish I could hold it. Shaking my head at all the kids who be trying to throw it. Shout out to Chubb, y'all saying, boy, don't y'all fucking blow it. For life. Rest in peace to my nigga Bucky.